guys, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be answering a Natural Sciences Life and Living Grade 7 question taken from the Herzia Middle School June 2016 exam paper. So let's dive straight in. We're going to be answering question 1.8 of that question paper, which asks the function of part D is what? Okay, this is referring to the diagram on the left of the screen. Okay, and part D is right here at the bottom. But before we actually get into answering this specific question, it might help to bring to mind that what we're looking at here is a diagram or a picture of kelp. Okay, so let's go back to the specific question. The function of part D is what? Now, like I said, part D is right here at the bottom, as you can see, and what it's pointing to is the hold fast of the organism. And the hold fast, the purpose of the hold fast is to anchor the kelp to the ocean floor. So that's our answer. The function of part D is A. Okay, so we just want to have a quick look at the rest of these possibilities and see if they match to any of these parts labeled on the kelp. Okay, so let's have a look. B says to capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Now, that would be the function of A, which is pointing to the frond. Okay, the fronds are leaf-like structures of the kelp which capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay, so let's just match that real quick. Okay, to hold the fronds upright towards the surface of the water, that is the function of C here, which is the stipe. Okay, so the stipe holds the fronds upright towards the surface of the water. Again, we'll just match it real quick. C matches with C. Alright, now let's have a look at D. D says to remove waste products from the kelp's body. Now this is a trick answer because this is a function of the kidneys of mammals. Okay, those are what remove waste from the mammal's body. Okay, so that doesn't fit anyway. But part B over here is pointing to the gas bladder, which is also known as the pneumatocyst, and this helps the fronds to float on the surface of the water. Okay, so that's that for question 1.8. But before I go, I'd like to send a quick shout out to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read more about them and about us in the description below. You can also head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Now, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay well.